Okay guys, welcome to the YouTube channel. We're working on the $150 SPL challenge. Just trying to show guys out there that you don't need a lot of money, just a little bit of knowledge. You can make just about anything go boom. Start off with the setup. Just got a couple old planned audio AC 2500.1 amplifiers. Nothing special. Wired down to 2 ohms. They're AB class amplifier. Chintzy 685 amp value power battery. 0 gauge power wire. 8 gauge speaker wire running into the box. The box itself is common chamber slot port, about 10 cubic foot enclosure with 2 skar audio IVX 12s. They're about $69.99 a piece. You can get them on eBay, Amazon, just about anywhere. So we're right at the under $150 mark. It's a 94 car with a factory stock alternator. It's nothing special, nothing fancy. I've had the car for years and years and years. Just decided to throw something together and do some playing around. I haven't done the alternator upgrade yet for the big 3. I do have my 0 gauge running in, of course. 250 amp fuse up front. My amps draw about 60 amps per amplifier, so about 120 amps of current draw on them, so it's not a lot of current draw. Another thing that I wanted to talk to everyone about, car's a 94. I have factory Bose front speakers. Yes, I did upgrade the 6x9s in the back. They are a 5-way 6x9. JVC double din head unit. The one thing I did want to talk a little bit about was equalizer and equalizer settings. As you can see, my subwoofer control is at plus 10. Goes down to negative 50. I have the amps gain matched so that I can turn it up to plus 10, because different songs play different beats, different ranges. The next thing that we have going on, I use the Pro EQ settings. As you can see, 62.5 hertz. Frequency is set at 0. My 100 hertz frequency is set at 0. We get into 160, set at 0. Wait a minute. Oh. Something's got a little bit mixed up here. Let me go back through and adjust this down. I like to run my equalizer a little bit different than some other people. I like a lower slope on my low end frequencies. Just because I like a cleaner sound coming out of my internal speakers, especially when they're non-amplified. You're talking the radio's 50 by 4, probably putting 25 watts to each internal speaker. There's a little more into the equalizer settings as far as the crossovers and stuff like that, but
I've been this shit since 1986 until the present. I'm in the mirror for so long, just call me Woodrow Stanley. Got money on my mind, niggas they understand me. We getting bread. I be on my grind, day and night. All I ever knew was chasing dollar signs. When I wake up, I hit the ground, running hard. But it's the issue.
now the radio itself goes up to volume 35, but I found with JVC head units, anything over 30 starts clipping, starts distorting. You really just don't get quite as clean a signal out of it. The rap group that we are listening to today is Bootleg out of Flint, Michigan. He's an older rapper. Let's see what we can find, if we can find something. Here's an old DJ Magic Mike remix. So sweet, tastes like a lifesaver. Get money all night long, we in motion. A few bad men and one bottle of lotion. Don't know what you been hit with this raw type of blow that don't stick to the straw. Come get it, girl, you so bad. Suck this dick, make your man mad. And you and me gon' pop them tags. That ain't shit when you moving that bad. Keep coming back out the pot. They might even though it costs a lot, they gotta be straight. If your work keep coming back out the pot, straight. They might even though it costs a lot, they gotta be straight. If your work keep coming back out the pot, straight. Country in this bitch, workout. Uptown in this bitch, workout. Wesley in this bitch, workout. Ridgeway in this bitch, workout. Vincent in this bitch, workout. Roll up in this bitch, workout. Fifth one in this bitch, workout. Wanna ride with a killer, smoke all day, on the ball with a nigga. I can give you that life right now. Take you out to the strip club, do a few times. Bitch, you ain't never met a player like me. Take you all around the country and everything free. Fuck that young boy, I'm that one. Smoke that kush, that suck my it's my bread up, I'm so paid. I'm so paid, and I'm so paid. Sell cocaine, all the bad hoes come. And I won't stop until I fuck everyone. This one here's for all the boys moving around. That's the dead presidents in their hands. This cat is all that we sell. You can get it, I'll send it through the mail. If your work keep coming back out the pot, they might even though it costs a lot, they gotta be straight. If your work keep coming back out the pot, straight. They might even though it costs a lot, they gotta be straight. If your work keep coming back out the pot, straight. Let it smoke. Gotta weed, let it smoke. Joe D, let it smoke. Fat boy, let it smoke. Black Ryan, let it smoke. 2G, let it smoke. J-Dan, let it smoke. H-Stone, let it smoke. And if your work keep coming back out the pot, they might even though it costs a lot, they gotta be straight. If your work keep coming back out the pot, straight. They might even though it costs a lot, they gotta be straight. If your work keep coming back out the pot, straight.
Let the man know is we are peaceful people. We are loving people. We love everybody who loves us. But we don't love anybody who doesn't love us.
Growing up, me and my nigga was different than other ordinary kids. Sticking niggas up for money and breaking in people's cribs. 2 wild ass juveniles and that became a started dreaming about having more money than both of us. In the club, drinking liquor by the age of 15. Getting drunk and fucking bitches was an everyday routine. You was good with your head, seldomly used to go. We used to laugh when you knocked out bitch niggas for fun. Me and my nigga holler 7-4 everywhere we go. It's kinda funny not hearing you spit the literature. And then we hit a lick on the outfit, we always kept it clean. Like that we so strong. Nigga jump in the tree. Your mama down, we sat on my porch and wet, drinking wine, Irish rose, dropping tears on the sky. Never see you in it.
No, it's not to say, I mean, everyone's got their own preference on how they like to adjust their equipment, the kind of music that they listen to, things of that nature. One of the things is I listen to a variety of different kinds of music, so to have just rap set up and tuned for my stereo system, it's not always what I listen to. You'd be hard pressed to see somebody that goes from listening to straight rap, old school rap from the 90s, 2000s.
What up, shorty? When you grow up a little shorty, you got your gun in your sag. You walk around, got you one in your mag. They call him little shorty. He be skipping in school. He gotta eat. He in the house with no food. They call him little shorty. He got nowhere to go. He got a girl and she just want him to blow. Call him little shorty. Shorty on his own. Shorty head gone. You know he living dead wrong. Little shorty. Shorty in the hood selling hard rock. Will with his Smith, he got his hand cocked. The right deal on the brick, that's a mean block. No appeal, shorty sick, he heard his man flop.
So like I said, a lot of people have their variances on the things that they listen to. I just went with a bunch of stuff that I had laying around my garage. I also have a different box. This box is not the permanent box that I am going to be using. It is the exact same measurements, same port, same everything, but the box that will be the final box is already liquid resined, Bondo and fiberglass filled, painted. It's just I wasn't gonna be hauling that heavier box in and out while I was testing around with firing the subs forward, firing the subs upward. I used to compete in Super Street 1 to 2 no wall class with 15s, and I always found firing forward was a good way to go. The car, when I originally set it up about 2 weeks ago, it was firing forward. I wanted to just see what it would be like firing them up. Of course, I do need to get it metered. That's my next step. But I just wanted to show you one other thing before I cut this video off for the day. Is we're just going to go to FM. And we're going to go to something that most people probably aren't familiar with and really don't know much about. How loud it actually can get.
Who am I that the highest king? On, and I think it should be.
Okay.
Is on track to reduce
It
carbon emissions
looks
by
like we're gonna have to get it for another video because I know exactly what the problem is. As you can see, my antenna is not up all the way, so of course I'm not gonna get all my regular radio stations is. Guys, just thanks for checking out my video. Thanks for taking a look, and stay tuned because the next video I'll play something from maybe some Dayton Family from 1990 and see what you guys think about that. Thank you.